estás haciendo, güey?
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué onda, amigos? Pues yo soy Luis Herrera y nos estamos preparando aquí para este video que vamos a hacer. Es un video de efectos especiales, ahí por algo de ciencia ficción, esperamos les guste.
¿Y dónde estamos?
Aquí en la fábrica de San Peter.
She's staying high almost all the time, another party almost every night. High heels and makeup, every week she's on another flight. Goes around, always comes around, that's her own life motto. Sunday California, Monday in Chicago, but it's cool, I'll see her soon. Loving all my tunes, beauty walking the streets, a beast inside my room. Can't stay for long, need to write these songs. Work from night then back to dawn, nothing's right if the feeling's wrong. So she's gone by the break of dawn, a broken heart but a stronger mind. In that girl is what you'll find, staying high almost all the time, but kills it every single time. Tipsy off a glass of wine, Louis V shades what she has behind. Purse more deep than her state of mind. Life is just one hell of a ride, but life is what she hated. Love was just a